You never know where you are, baby. Too blind to see, too blind to see. That I'm on in the rough, that I'm on in the rough, me never free a future without you in it, but girl, you need my best that for 2 minutes, you see me now.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. So lots of you guys don't know, but I do a little bit of modeling for my own brand on the side. Yes, I'm going to show you guys a couple of my pictures on the screen right now. This is actually the routine that I used for my maternity photo shoot that I did in my bathroom. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like on your screen right now. So basically, if you're going for something radiant, something very beautiful, very dewy and all that, then you can definitely try this out. Definitely tailored for my girls with all that melanin, that want that melanin to shine and glow up, baby. Yes, then this tutorial is for you. It's going to be a very quick and simple tutorial. Of course, as usual, very affordable products that you guys can easily find in the drugstore. Also, if you guys want me to do like a video of how I prep for my photo shoots, then comment down below and let me know. I can make that for you guys. For all you guys wondering about my hair, don't worry, the details on my hair will be coming soon. This choker is by me. The line will be coming soon as well, so guys, stay tuned for all of that. Yeah, I just put a flash tattoo here to make the look a little bit more appealing. I hope you guys like this look. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also thumbs up this video for more videos like this. So stay tuned for the tutorial and all the details on this look. Keep on watching if you guys want to see. Okay guys, so of course as usual I start off with my eyebrows. Yeah, I feel like you guys have seen me do my brows 1,000,001 times already, so I'm not gonna spend too long on this. Today I'm using the Jordana Fabu-Brow pencil in Midnight Brown, and I'm just of course doing the regular one line at the bottom, a line at the top, fill it in, brush it out and clean up with a concealer. Today's concealer is the LA Girl Pro in the shade Fawn, and after concealing those brows, of course I'm going to blend that out. I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some demon, some For moisturizing, I'm using the L'Oreal Sublime Glow Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. I'm so glad I got this from my mom. Yeah, it just basically gives you like a smooth base that is very glowy. So of course I thought it would be perfect for this look. So I'm just blending that into my skin and allowing it to dry. And then I'm going in with some color correcting by using my Black Up Cosmetics by using my Black Up Cosmetics concealer and corrector palette. Yeah, I'm using the orange corrector, taking that around my mustache and under my eyes for those bags, because guys, especially with little mama hair, I have a lot of bags now because I'm always tired, guys. So I'm just trying to cover up the darkness around my eyes, and I'm using a beauty blender just to blend that out. For foundation today, I'm using the Jordana Complete Cover 2-in-1 foundation, and I'm gonna mix in some of the sheer bronzing powder from Iman. This bronzer was actually broken, so I just mixed it with my foundation. It gives me really nice coverage still, but now it has a dewy finish, and that's really what I needed, a very shiny glossy finish. After doing that, I'm gonna highlight, regular highlight and contour. So I'm using Cool Tan in the same LA Girl concealer because I wanted something that was very bright. Applying that to the regular areas under my eyes, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and forehead. So I'm just blending that out with the beauty blender. Now I really wanted my highlight to pop, so I'm going to go in with a second coat of concealer under my eyes only and just blend that out again because I really wanted the highlight to be very pronounced for this look. Now we're gonna need to set all that. I'm using the Covergirl translucent powder today, and I'm just applying that everywhere where I put the concealer, and then I actually went all over my face with this. Now you don't have to do this, but I find that it helps to set everything in place. But guys, if you're going for a night photo shoot, don't do that. If it's a daytime look, you'll get away, but don't do that for a nighttime look because this powder does have a flashback. Now I'm going in with a powder that's my shade, which is my Jordana Cosmetics Forever Flawless Pressed Powder. Now for my eyes, I'm using this gold eyeshadow and I'm just placing that all over my lid. It gives a really nice glowy effect, and this is the #1 eyeshadow from Black Up Cosmetics. Then I'm just lining my lower lash line with a dark brown pencil, the same pencil that I used for my brows, but this wasn't necessary because I'm going to go back in with something darker because I wanted it to be really dark. So I was just kind of trying that out at first, and now I'm going into contouring with my favorite contour product, the Black Up Cosmetics Contouring Stick in #3. I'm just using that to shadow some areas of my face that I want to be shadowed. I'm going to blend that out with the wrong side of the Beauty Blender. And I want my contour to be popping, you know, for this look. So I'm going to apply a second coat of the contouring stick. Yeah, just going to apply that again and just blend it out. Yeah, I find that when I put my contour on top of my powder after setting my face, it pops a lot more. So I've been doing that lately. And now it's time to add the glow. I went in first with the same sheer bronzing powder from Iman. Yeah, because that was very soft. So I went in with that one first. I'll be using a lot of highlighters, guys.
Boy, no matter how hard you try, you're not gonna make it, I'm in no business. She said me not reach nowhere in her life.
And then I'm going to go in with this one right here, which is Copper Excess, one of my all-time favorites. I use this for every photo shoot, whether it's a daytime or a nighttime look. Yes, I'm just applying that. And then going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, of course. I'm going to take Golden Bronze and I'm going to apply that onto my face, to all the highlighted areas. This was also a very soft one. For my lips, I'm using this glowy lip gloss from Milani Cosmetics. It's my favorite gloss and it's called Luminous. I think this is the best product Milani has ever made, honestly. And then I'm using this lipstick from She Makeup called Hot Chocolate, and I'm placing that on top of the gloss. And now it has like that really bronzy browny look, you know. Now I'm gonna stack a lot of lashes. These are the Ardell 150 lashes, but I actually went in with 3 pairs of lashes, so when I was done, this is what it looked like. So I'm just putting some mascara now onto my bottom lashes to make them have a bit more volume. Remember I told you guys that I was going to smoke out my lower lash line? I just dipped my shader brush into a bit of the mascara and I used that to run it along my lower lash line to make it darker. For bronzing up my body, I'm going in with Johnson's baby oil and I'm applying that, you know, just where I want to be glowy or be shiny. And you can actually just do this only and still look very dewy and glowed up. But I'm going to go over my skin with some of the bronzer. Just pick one, doesn't matter. You can use them all as a matter of fact. But I normally put it into my palms and then rub it on my body. But if you do it this way too, it's fine. So this is the finished look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun making it. I really love this look. I think it's just very girly, very flirty, you know. Very cute and very fierce, guys. Yeah. And yeah, guys, my question of the day is, tell me what country you're from. Let's be friends, all right? Follow my Instagram and all that good stuff. Everything you need will be left in the description bar below. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.